So this boiler had been red tagged or warning tagged by the gas supply company. It was tagged because the refractory brick lining the wall, or refractory castable, was cracked in many places, so it had been deteriorated. Instead of purchasing a new boiler, which can be very expensive, we opted to change out all the refractory brick, which means we have to take it all apart. They do sell kits for this. So we have removed the refractories, we have placed all the new refractory kit inside of the boiler. We've cleaned the boiler, the heads, all the burners, and putting it all back together, firing it up, doing a combustion analysis, making sure everything runs properly, and you should be able to get another 10 years out of this unit, which is fantastic. Huge savings. We're roughly about $1,000 per unit. There's 3 units here for replacing the refractory bricks compared to replacing the units, which would be probably closer to 8,000 or 9,000. So it's a huge savings. There's no point in replacing the boilers at this stage. They're in really good shape besides all the refractory that had been deteriorated. So yeah, we broke it all out, remove it, lift everything up, all of your coil boiler rads, and placed all the new refractory in. It's come together nicely. I'm sure the client will be very happy. These 3 units are doing a multi-unit apartment complex that we're in right now. You got to maintain these things, keep them clean, so you don't have any combustion buildup of CO or carbon monoxide. Yeah, just keep it maintained, keep it clean, save money in the long run, that's for sure. So this is a sure sign that the refractory material has broken down inside the boiler and allowing flame impingement. That's completely cooked. If you ever had something sitting here that was flammable, it would easily catch fire. So that's why when the gas company came down, first thing they see is that. They look inside, they realize that everything's cracked, deteriorated. Yeah, sure sign that would needing to be fixed. Don't let something like that go.